First bill na omo ye nwa adwuma nyina wi am koto Akufo-Addo na so Akufo-Addo botugu ye no. Processor ekomunie. And this new bill ya sa pass no go through the same process. John Mahama ni NDC forecast say omo be sign it. Omo tumutumu no omo betwemu. Omo be make sure say ye de mra beba ama Ghana sebio ya bo nipa ho ban. After all these things, now let's take care of something. And then Asama SCL Parliament any. Parliament passes anti-LGBTQ bill. And the Parliament of Ghana passes a bill. Bill no. Asama 2023. From 2022, 23, 24. Na Ghana for nyina kan say trumu yen hyemra. Na sambra na ye be hye no sebio omo mo pese omo ye trumu o Ghana no. E wo say ye hyemra bi o Ghana. Emma omo dwumadie no mo pese omo di anase omo ne ye no entumi ntietia de Ghana fo bi fa ahodie so na omo so a omo eye trumu no omo so fa ahodie no ye ntumi ntietia. So we need to understand this anti-LGBTQ bill na ya pass no time NPP for start here no mo say trumu ade bia Ghana fo tia asofo kasaye ahemfo kasaye teacher for police for Ghana fo be kasaye ema ebedum pempen so be nyina gitum say trumu ade bia Ghana tia enti I was say ye hyemra ebetia trumu o Ghana. Now NPP aban and static catch Ghana for say yen statina yen hyemra ye de betia trumu ye fra asofo ye fra ahemfo ye fra titiru so mo nyina metena se na yen hyemra samra no so bi eye trumu ni a ontumi fa sa ne trumu no ye no entietia Ghana ni bia onye trumu ni e fa ahudie so ena so bi ye trumu a yen hyemra samra no ebe ne sa nipa ne beko na maybe sa nipa no so ne fa ahudie anase ne fundamental right as a human being oye nipa no entietia so. Enti you need to understand ene nyina gitum say ene ye be hyemra enti MPP ne start here ena omo efa NDC for ye nyina enim Sam George na odi enim. In fact Sam George ena de sakrata ne ba parliament say oye Kristo ni ba na yatete no onim se trumu de enye enti ni nuanom MPP for so emwa no na saa eye trumu no yentumi hyemra emfantia ena obi te se intrum fodwo gay ya oye asin south for MP eka se ono de oye sofo enti obegirem keten ma trumu mra na ya hye. That time no na MPP for ene wo majority in parliament. Na afenyo marking ene di enim e wo parliament e ma MPP for. Na oba NDC for the side na mo ye minority. Into parliament na embra bia ye share na 99.9 embra bia ye share na Akufo-Addo na e NPP for ena sebio omudi nkunim wo parliament ade omo pe ena esi wo parliament. Mema remfisa asem Inti MPP for any NDC for ni bi ena tena se sa eye trumu ade we die ye nyina ye de se o se ye tia enti ye hyemra na ye mfa nko intrum fodwo eye Asin South MP ena odi sa adwumade hu akontene pa o se one de otafre mema to nanso eba trumu a on pese nipa behu nti obese ye hyemra na Ghana for ehu se odi nkofo to e wodem ye didim ena eye parliament na MPP eye majority hyemra samra na ye gitumu o Ghana wa parliament ema ye nyina ya begitumu se 2020 eye 4 ya jatum NPP for na ye majority afenyo marking na edi enim ena parliament gitumu se ya hyemra na ansa na samra no betumi ayemra ye betumi edi ayedwuma wo Ghana no e was a president Akufo-Addo de nsa ehye anase o sign man be yemra in the parliament ye adwuma ni nyina awie ye afenyo marking na o lead MPP for no ye majority e pass mra no ka se ya gitrumu na tum na yemfa nkoma na nado danko Akufo-Addo ye nyina ka se ye de nyame ase asofo ahemfo etitru sebio nifrafo sebio akwatafo Ghana for enkwara ni penfo obiabo se MPP aban omo ye majority of parliament afenyo marking di omanim intrum fodwo adi akirema yetumi pass samra no yemfa nkoma Akufo-Addo keke na nado danko Akufo-Addo achechede ne mfre ba omiangina ne nsa nifa so na onfa ne nsa nhye krata na se we die everything ne abeda ne mra eno akeke na aka amanfo ahemfo 2472 etena ase se ot TV ho or twen Akufo-Addo de pen keke asan ase na ya giatum eye mampon hene proponent and exponent na sebio nana onyankopon to ne nsamfre no so te ase ono so ayeti kakra eti TV ho awonafo hene kese no so tifie wayeti kakra ena ode eye akpele kakra so si nchen ena ono so TV ho ya na ohene kese the greatest ya na ono so etena na konwom se sia de de ade ne krata no electronic document ye de Akufo-Addo ema ode ne nsa hya se Ghana fo enyina etena TV ho ne ye twen infantefo hene kese me nana koisata Cape Coast man hene nyankasa me papa okaka ben ando the 10th abra asebu kwa mankese traditional area ono na ye o man hene wo ho ahemfo akese abonofo hene eye nana doma hene enwumbre no sebi odi books na okenkan eye judgment na ochro opia ni gina gunchen na oye tea kakra nana happy birthday oye little tea kakra ode eyi atre enunum din nana nkasa dina odi sugar kakra bi atum nana mpe sugar kese na onunum bibia healthy organic eye enzimafo hene kese asofo akese Duncan Williams atenase say enwumbre no sebi daddy no papa me do no homo papa atenase na nka oso nkokoye preach me papa say onye because Akufo-Addo ne nse be hyaase with TV so papa atenase watena konwom wa relax sa temi baba na ba wa betete papa tira no clean papa ya shine papa ya clean papa de eba cool dia is a cheese guy ya nyangase papa Duncan Williams wa pam curtains we yi curtains na hange ashe overall at them twen say Akufo-Addo be sign keke yakeka se na keke na also sign eya bonofo hene eya de enzimafo hene eya de ahemfo mo Ghana chese mi rempo bebre obi aye din asofo akese akonfo nyina tenase obi aye ready say nana do danko Akufo-Addo mfakra pen keke na onfa ne nsanhye kratase na se bi Ghana behu se eya trumu no ya yemra etia eno keke nana asofo a omobom pa ya Akufo-Addo 2012 14 15 16 twensa na Akufo-Addo enye keke every na ne mfie na kwa enim yedim se we de oya hye onyame animonyam because the same na Akufo-Addo a na osi eye cathedral the same ba wo mia na oni Akufo-Addo esi cathedral intina asofo ahemfo impenifo nya nim se we die ebeye easy am Akufo-Addo every say osia sorry da amanyame asofo akese sam kranchi ankra papa ono so enwumre wa hwe ne abɔ ne 9 shirt bi na wa nya ne simple watch bi and ono so de shawarma kakra atu plate so ondi yempo sam kranchi ankra twen am Akufo-Addo asan na wa kane shawarma alabaster box alabaster box software wama the baba be yidi tiri sakora ne da so she na yira your popcorn kakra alabaster enso atena se me angasa minipa the one opamwo say nyumbre no ne ntade a watoto ne shirt ne adade wa hange na wa boxer shorts na sebio yaye fufuo kakra de superku asom na say omonfa na etingu so na Akufo-Addo sign wi a na wadidi de ahye onyame nimunyam opamwo one mi angase yesofo ye NPP fo eye owusu bempa say nyumbre no papa owusu bempa and long sleeves we yegu wa hanging wa singlet keke na making watoto eburo kakra na da plate so na all train say nana de bompa ya mawo ye de horn hye wunsem ye ne de wo ba ye fa krat fa wonsa hye krat ase keke sign keke o keke keke enu penifo nyina tena se afeni e twen de ati ya ne se nana adodanko Akufo-Addo e de krata abeto abontene se o ka kire parliament fo se musuo nka obo Akufo-Addo we give it to besi de NDC fo ayenda de ebi sida Mahama nyamishirawo nana Akufo-Addo release statement or say desist from transmitting anti-gay bill to Akufo-Addo o ka kire eye Asante bedi etuo se on fa later ma parliament for say musuo nka omo na nkwasi ade no maye no omo transmitting mre no ade bi ode baye omo no na adodanko Akufo-Addo e release krata e friend green paper Ghana green paper yen release ni sa e kire president ni buofu asem ni hia no obese Ghana 40 asese na ni abre and you release green paper na adodanko Akufo-Addo e release green paper e ka kire bedi etuo so on kan kire Ghana fo asofo ahemfo abosomsomfo ye nanano maamefo obia se musuo nkan ne ye ejimi de krata bi bread o Jubilee House wa ye bete ye na Akufo krata ni ye be kinkan mu asem na nde ye de be si asem a esi o parliament ende so krata no Nana Addo Akufo-Addo release krata on the 18th of March 2024 eya 2024 bosumi etoso miensa ena Nana Addo Akufo-Addo eda etoso edum wotwe ena ode krata we ba abontene o se bedi etu mfa nsende ye na musio nkan ye ode krata we koma clerk to parliament nyina secretary no de sakrata no koma no Satana parliament a passe afenyoma kene majority leader omo no ma passe se Akufo-Addo fa won sa keke ya keka ya se won fa ne nsa benkum keke no nsan na emeye mra yan kan krata de Nana Addo Akufo-Addo churo wom. Remember afenyoma kene na ye majority leader of parliament 2024 on an NPP fu anim. Po asema ewo no or say transmission of the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill 2024. Now krata ni munsem nie. Or say it has come to the attention of this office that while the president and other senior government officials of the presidency were at Peduase for a cabinet retreat on Thursday, 14th of March 2024, you attempted tie wedding no brofono tie wealth na Akufo-Addo use you know. I mean start biom. It has come to the attention of this office. Or see, Nana Addo Akufo-Addo say wenyante ye watete ye keka watete. It has come to the attention. Or say otete. Or say asemya beto de nim na otete. It has come to the attention of this office that while the president and other senior officials of the presidency were at Peduase for a cabinet retreat on Thursday, 14th of March 2024, you attempted to submit the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill 2024 to Jubilee House for the president to signify his assent or otherwise to the bill. Or say, Nana Addo Akufo-Addo catch the clerk to parliament. I catch him say, what it say? Time or no? Any ne penny for more Jubilee House. Ewo Peduase. Omo ya cabinet meeting no. Or te say more parliament. More the krata bia betu Jubilee House say ono Akufo-Addo. Achichide ba. Onfa ne nsambe shasie. Nana Akufo-Addo letter or tro no. The ote brofo che mo tro nko the page no nko change nsame boa. Krata or trouble parliament was so what or tete some more also see you one can say respectfully to parliament or see you a good word with Jimmy too or see you sad statement richard ombu parliament on we see you Jimmy or so what is some more the krata bia ba so no I busy now Peduase on any party for Mikmel Jankroma eyufo no maka no egu Jubilee Peduase na omo ye omo angasa chile no mo de krata abesi ne chi sedien ono fa ne nsam be shaase yenko yenim mi dwudwam. Second paragraph. This office is aware of two pending applications for an order of interlocutory injunction, both filed on 7th March 2024 in the Supreme Court in Dr. Amanda Odoi versus the Speaker of Parliament and the Attorney General, and Richard Delasky versus the Parliament of Ghana and the Attorney General, respectively. Now, to restrain you and Parliament from transmitting the bill to the President, and also to restrain the President from signifying his assent to the bill, pending the final determination of the matter. Also, a person catch the Secretary to Parliament or small catch the Parliament for say. Now, what Jimiana, Monte say a young call for this bill we are na. This letter was released on the 8th. Nana Addo Akufo-Addo catch say the last guy, gay guy na after your mark in the school no. The last guy the case na court. any nipa bi de bill na mo pass ye no Akufo-Addo catch the parliament say ebia mo nwene ebia wankasa no mo nhye nim de ekọ na osa mo ti ase say nipa bi de sa bill we a mo de bra me ma me de mensa hye ase no omo de court na court no makọ no omo say omo mpese me de mensa be hye ase na onu Akufo-Addo de obu court pa obutoko nu pa ompese obebu court so inti until say sa asem ne ye be kan wie aprase ama obi ate ne ho ase no ono na nado danko Akufo-Addo akyekide hene onfa ne nsa nhye ase time ye passe bill na on sign keke no tin kwase maka kire o meet opedua ase obi de asem ka court until court be kan wie yi o mun sefiri ono Akufo-Addo oni time o mo fa mo jimi internal parliament wo na afenyo making na ye leader in parliament about majority leader NPP for na one majority wo. They didn't say anything, they didn't contest, they didn't say parliament is basically an autonomous autonomous institution. It can take its own decisions. They did not say anything, they kept quiet. See, I said a letter way or Akufo-Addo trama yani Ghana for because remember, parliament is a representation of the people. In Toka say you. With the attempt crowd letter. Where a president letter or trouble no. Aqua wepa or Jimmy for Buta. Now Baumia to us. Yes, sir. Baumia supporting Akufo-Addo. Because from that time till now, Baumia has never said anywhere say he disagreed with the president's decision not sign a day to bill. He has never said anything like that. Meaning he was in full support of the president's foolishness. Paragraph 3. The Attorney General has, by letter dated 18th March 2024, informed the President that he has been duly served with both applications and has advised the President not to take any step in relation to the bill until the matter raised by the suits are determined by the Supreme Court. Or say, Attorney General Godfrey Dame akache say, amanfo esi onu Akufo-Addo court. The last guy, any nipa be mienu bi almost si Akufo-Addo into onu Attorney General Godfrey Dame kache ne say, mema ni mbonu hu musuo na on sign sa e de trumu bill no. Efri say, so the nsa sha ase a onu Attorney General no obema Akufo-Addo ho akire no. Na Akufo-Addo o si Godfrey Dame kache ne say, nipa bi esiu no onu Akufo-Addo. Enti or sheno or deno or si mema ni nye mistake emfa ne nsa enhye krata biase Akufo-Addo say one enkofo de na court on to say court asem besi no on sign and also ka kire say Godfrey Dame ka kire ne say mema ni mbonu hu musuo en sign document no every say nipa bi de onu Akufo-Addo court kwasi asem yetina ho Ghana ni o kwasi asem jo Mahama na cho letter we a anka asofo apai villa wo wiem. It is the understanding of the office that both applicants have also been duly served on Parliament. Both applications. Let me take it again. It is the understanding of this office that both applications have also been duly served on Parliament. Therefore, it will be improper for you to transmit the bill to the President and equally improper for this office to receive the bill until the Supreme Court determines the matters raised in the suit. Or say, or catch a Ghana for say, asamana nkasa no omo di case riba no sebio omo so no omagia tum agent krata so omo president be share court. Ena president catch say, say ono imremu no nyansa wo mu se ono yes seven na enkofo no mo de ne court the last guy no ye djuma we afenyo marking law firm no. Remember, the last guy S7 president and that's what the case the court to say on pinning president in sign no. Now the last guy oye juma wo afenyo marking law firm. Afenyo marking na majority leader or parliamentar omo passe anti-LGBTQ bill no. One connection no. It's afenyo marking jina parliament or supervise say the signing of the passing of the bill no. We no catch the boy the last guy or one law firm said the la court. Let's stop Akufo-Addo from signing. Oh the last guy na ode Akufo-Addo ne Ghana court no. Time na ode sa asem ne court no oye djuma wa afenyo marking law firm. Afenyo marking na ye majority leader of parliament. Omo pass case ni wie no sa bill omo pass ye no the same day na afenyo make catch the last guy say fa Akufo-Addo court send e be ya ontumi fa ne nsan hye trumu na se enti the last guy oye adwuma ma afenyo make na afenyo make de no call school e wo UK no quick e no court e no ko siwe Akufo-Addo enti afenyo make knew say the last guy called Supreme Court Akufo-Addo is never going to sign even though anka or the right to sign anka court into me hwe no. That was the trick. That was the trapper as a nation. Until we did the last part of the document, I say it is settled law that during the pendency of an interlocutory injunction application, the status quo ante ought to be preserved. And no action should be taken that would result in prejudicing the injunctive relief sought and undermining the authority of the court. I'm sorry, these things are very small on the screen. I do my best to try and, I'm squinting to try to read this. The Omoka Nyina say, Embramu Ghana Mrachere say, Sasem da court, ye den, ye take action, Tina na Danko Akufo-Addo, or troll letter Bekache say, Asem wo court inti, Ghana Mranzo chere say, Sasem da court, obie ni ho kwan say or no, ebefe chire, akoye bibietia asem da court no, into order de, or ye den, o tie court, inti anya dia ordinance ebeshe krata na se. In the circumstances, you are kindly requested to cease and desist. That's the last paragraph. Nana Danko Akufo-Addo or say, in the circumstances, you are kindly requested to cease and desist from transmitting the bill to the president until the matter before the Supreme Court are resolved. The last paragraph. Nana Akufo-Addo say, in the circumstances, you are kindly requested to cease and desist from transmitting the bill to the president until the matter before the Supreme Court are resolved. President Kachire say through of bedi to say or catch parliament or warn parliament say enimeni ya enkwasi adwene bi amofa disrespect bia ewo mutrim adwene boni bia amofa amayam adwene se mo tumi se mo de krata bebre president amana sign no or warn omo say montwe mo ho na muntu ma adwene mu na mama nya ma adwene se mo wonyansa kura mo de bebre president ekachire bedi to say on kanche parliament say they should cease and desist. You can say cease and desist. You see jai na pepa woto fa ujimi koda men nya wa adwene mpo da men si utiri mu po men nya wo ho say men dwene hu mpo hwe wo ho free sa nkwase adwene na wafa no say wo de krata ebre president say on sign it. Na Akufo-Addo catch them Ghana for no parliament and say na do Danko Akufo-Addo nye ready so be sign bibia because asem no da court. It is about 10 years or quarter. Omu wie ya na Addo Danko achichide is never going to sign it. Sa asem no mochromaye. Oba sewa the clerk to Parliament House. Attention, Mr. Cyril K.O. Insia. Dipa or sign letter ni Nana Bedi to Asante Secretary to the President. Wanamuna OCC omo ena OCC Mahamudu Bawumia or Kopi Bawumia, the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana, the Chief of Staff Frema Opare, CC Frema Opare, and the Majority Leader Afenyo Markin. Until letter the Akufo-Addo Troeno, or the Bikoma Afenyo Markin, or the Bima Frema Opare, and or the Bakoma Edien Bawumia, and Omunyina did not object to anything. Omunyina said, "To yatiasia, this is right." Kwasiafo. Now, yaba baba bedru eye. Now, only interesting thing is here. Thank you, Mr. S, for bringing this in. Inti entwenya Akufo-Addo banan sign it. Case ni da quarter mayeko to aba. This was in March. Tokonu never touched the case. Afenyu Markin Luweka and the case in the court, the last guy no the case in the court no na oye worker Emma Afenyomake wa Afenyomake law firm. So what happened? Case in the court, Supreme Court from March, that Supreme Court. Tokonu never got the chance to listen to the case. Madam Tokonu, the Chief Justice then, Satana Tokonu na Chief Justice. From March, Ekopim December, Yetina Ghana, Tokonu never had the chance to listen to the case. It's only case in the question Supreme Court, no, and a Tokonu can say thank you, and no local case, no, and all the kids in the court 2 fee. Oh, because Afenyomake only Tokonu and a da and a sorry. Ninuano no, Nadam for no, the friend no, they are close pals. Afenyomake and directed the last guy or one the law firm so for case in the court. The case in the court, the Akufo-Addo say case in the court into on sign. And Madam Tokonu so ehun say case number no local case no. March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, about 10 months. Ya free case in the da. Ya engineer case no so answer say ya betina so ye fi ho na sa bill ne da ho. Now, you know what happened? Ya to abani we 2024. Ya to abani we ya na Tokonu every case no. December 2024, ya to abani 7th December 2024. Supreme Court to deliver judgment on 2 cases filed against anti-LGBTQ bill on 18 December 2024. Sa time na Akufo-Addo da ho ye president. John Dramani Mahama became the president of the Republic of Ghana on the 7th of January 2025. Ya to abane 7th we no and a Tokonu free case no Supreme Court free case no. The case sat at the Supreme Court for almost 9 months. Yamfa and Sanka. Now you know one interesting thing. Right now, abani we ya omu sa Mahama be banana Tokonu say case ni die we afedi ye free court. Na the last guy ni case. Na emfaso bi ani so na nyansa bi anim. It took Tokonu close to 10 months or so maame to say afei na obetena asem no so. You see how these people are. NPP na mebo ma power chew no. Until 18th of December, ye to abani we ye na omu hu so mo luzu abano enom say ende yemfa ayeden case no enhye Mahama kon. Because strategically say oyi case no okaso we di case no we 18 December Mahama eba the 7th of January and be swearing in. And after that Mahama pass him rano. Internet deliberate strategic. Ye de ba be hye Mahama kon. But remember Parliament is so mra. Say ye pass ade o parliament e wo days a survive. Say sa days ni twema na Akufo-Addo amfa ne nsan hyasia sa bill no e be mute enye dwuma biem. Omure fi ho. They did not consider that. They never considered that part of it. O pass a bill or parliament. E wo days bi a ehome. Say sa days na ehome went to me and sign it. Say ye the insasha krata signature sasha and president assign ya sa bill no e lasted for some time ehomia na say enya oxygen na ewu. So they forgot to say from March na bill na hwa yan sign e betwe mu call December no na bill no lifespan ended. The bill was dead because the strategy was that say Mahama ba power now mon force Mahama man and sign it na Ghana for nka say otan Ghana for bi na Ghana for M4 money bring ko so na NPP fanye campaign entia Mahama say oh Mahama tiny pe bi wo Ghana enti Akufo-Addo an sign na deliberate no money da hodo money bi omoye. Now me can be see asem so ye be hu the case no o delay case from March to December. On the 18th of December, and a Tokonu say entire case no so from March, April, May. Tokonu who case no local case no and Afenyomake jida parliament no Jimmy no. Afenyomake to me court in less than 3 hours no judgment no asaba parliament no obedidi Alban Bagbi atem. Kwasiasa no you to me intervene no parliament a court premises or say call me a majority leader address me as my Kwasiasa no. They did a lot in this country. So our plans no setting up no mo refi o say bill no da wa na se amfa ensan ka automatically bill no say So person dey say say be ma el say osa start bill ni biem. You need to reintroduce the bill. Now let me show you something. And they see nyina say parliament pass den sa bill way. Now ye nyina yenim NDC ba power. And Ghana Mra constitution no any parliament mra kire say na na dan Akufo-Addo bill no for almost a year no sa bill no ahoɔden na ewo mu no ekɔ parliament mra so kire say e was say omo introduce bill no so omo ni bill no hu biem no mo gidi o sa bill no mu a they can bring it back to parliament, reintroduce the bill. That means the bill has to go through the same process it went through before it is passed. It's reintroduction of the bill no. First stage, no, the echo mubiano stage be echo mubiano or sub bill no circle through that stage because it is basically the bill being introduced again as a fresh bill. Until you cannot just go pick that paper and bring say this is our bill. No, now you have to restart the bill from scratch. So that is what happened. So in Parliament, you know, NDC, NPP, Speaker of Parliament, said that is what the law says. If you want to bring back the bill, it needs to be reintroduced from scratch because bill no, it is now being introduced as a new bill. It is not being introduced as an old bill. So you cannot go bring that bill near the Akufo-Addo so on sign now I expand to parliament and say now push it to the president. No, you need to restart the bill. That is what happened. In the NDC bar power no, the parliament for the agree and say let us restart the bill. And then I say a committees are also mutna say na efa process no be mean to process no name I'm sure process way. This is the processor bill no femu. So when you look at the process, this is one. I'm sorry. I'll bring you the second one. So we shall process now bill no femu as I do parliament be ma. This is the same processor a femu from the first time. Now, it says get me the first I want the one. Yeah, thank you. Now, first bill now omo ye nwa adwuma nyina wi am ko to Akufo-Addo na so Akufo-Addo botugu ye no. Processor e komunie. And this new bill, yes, our person, go through the same process. Into so check it a bill, the first bill, no, it went through this process. One, it went through what we call drafting. This new bill, it went through drafting and sponsorship. So first bill, no, na Sam George and a lead sponsor, and a in true for Jomo so be sponsors into this new one here passy Sam George and the main sponsor of the bill. So from that stage, you know, and they call first reading. In fact, so per se me mahu de sia. And a second step, you know, I call first reading. The bill was formally introduced in Parliament without debate. Now, third stage, you know, and stages way, the come first one and second one will come the same thing. Yan skippy bakumpo. Now, third phase, referral to committee. Now, sent to Parliament's Constitutional, Legal, and Parliamentary Affairs Committee. The same way, for review. The first time, no, it went to what we call the Parliament's Constitutional and Legal and Parliamentary Affairs Committee for review. They did the same stage. Skippy stage bakubia. Then they went to 4, committee stage and public hearing. This new one went through the same process. It went to the committee stage and public hearing. So the committee examines the bill, took memoranda, and heard from stakeholders like churches, lawyers, and civil societies. And it's now video where you will see, say, NPP 4, NDC 4 parliamentarians, they were all at the committee hearing. They all went through the process. Into video, you can see.
We recognize the various memoranda that individuals and institutions have brought through. We have perused lots of them. We welcome the input of every Ghanaian, not just the memoranda with some clauses that people. These things will happen. Many events will have changed and stuff. So if there were some clauses that were missed out, we have the opportunity to take cognizance of the rights of individuals who may be affected by this. We're going to do.
So you can see, Legal Affairs Committee of Parliament, they sat down, not tampuli to all, in team for Jokobi. Excuse me. I feel like sneezing. Tampuli wo in team for jo MPP for nyina ekosa committee here ni bi stakeholders obi aba be kan asem. Inti that means say this stage ye nyina recognize say aban way any a parliament way they allowed the process to flow. Oman skip back okra. Now, over point 5. Second reading. MPs debated the principles and purpose of the bill and voted for it to proceed. We the same thing over here in 2024, 2025, 26. They went to parliament. The second reading was done. They didn't skip any of the rules. They didn't skip any of the process. Point 6, consideration stage. The bill no consideration stage. Parliament reviewed the bill clause by clause and made amendments. NPP fought in parliament, NDC fought in parliament. The in the first in 2024, no, they did the same thing in 2026. The bill by parliament, review no clause by clause and amendments. NPP for parliament, NDC for parliament. They were all there. Point 7, third reading. There was a third reading. The final vote was taken and the bill was passed by parliament. And then you ende. They passed it today. We saw it. Afenyomakin was in parliament. Intim Fojo was in parliament. The sponsor of the bill was there. The NDC were there. They all said, let us pass the bill. The next thing left, a president assent stage. Right now, what is left is for them to take the bill to the president, John Mahama, to sign for it to become law. Now, here they. Interestingly, and the MPP first started at DB, when they were about to pass the bill, Afenyomakin in the group tried to do something. But the reason to many time we match on say in 2024, time I'm pass the bill ni we no Afenyomakin ejina parliament can say he wanted to amend some things in the bill. So he understood to say amendment can be done after a bill is passed. Until after or pass a bill no parliament in 2024 March no Afenyomakin jina parliament ekache Ghana for nyina say there were some things in the bill he wanted to bring that to parliament for them to amend. And obviously say pass a bill we are about 1 week you can bring some things who say or say amending you can bring it to the floor and parliament can consider it. In time for your marking, Odim say amendment is allowed. Odim say amendment can be done even after a bill is passed. The same way in 2024 or pass a bill ni no, Ojina Parliament catch almost say even though any MP before pass a bill ni we, yet Akufo-Addo no. After everything, I'll come and make some amendments to the bill. This is 2024 in your market.
Mr. Speaker, I humbly pray that you grant me leave, which leave would allow me to formally file some amendments I have to this bill. But the sponsors themselves again and again filed amendments. Please, let's be fair. The sponsors themselves...
Ignore them, make your point.
The sponsors themselves again and again filed amendments. Please hear me. Please accommodate me. I'm not the only one who is coming with an application for second consideration. This is the third time that the sponsors themselves have come to this house for second consideration. The third time. Twice on notice, one without notice. So, Mr. Speaker, it wouldn't be out of place to pray, to be accommodated, to enable me file my amendments. Mr. Speaker, I believe that instead of going viva voce, instead of using the extempore approach, if I file and it same appear on the other paper and members are able to read, they will get a sense of my point. And then we'll be able to have a law that all of us would appreciate its import. Mr. Speaker, should we hurriedly suspend the rules and say...
So in 2024, the passing bill ni we na African Market's original parliament say nyoma bi wo bill ni mu a opeso wa amend. Na ye dia. And the passing bill ni we no, this is what African Market and in the group of piglets account parliament. Or say almost say yet the minority I can't say me. Then a minority nika. Almost say Oma rejected bill. No minority reject proposed amendment to anti-LGBTQ. And almost say Omontia say sa bill where I go through the process. Parliament amendment NDC for the NPP for parliament amendment na no. And the NPP for say sa bill near passing in no Omontia say Omon jintum omo de omo pese eye bill no ebeko nenim adentra omo say eye amendment wo bill nim. Now amendment be na ye ka ho asem. Now let's go back to 2024. Afenyoma kinjina parliament na oka amendment na e de amendment na oka. Na ebucha say sa amendment na afenyoma kin eka 2024 no. This current bill aya pass no sa amendment no ya ye wo mu anase ye nye wo mu. Because until say sa amendment na African kin eka in 2024 say or percent oye wo eye sa first bill na Akufo-Addo ansign no until say and the sa bill no amendment no ya nye and the betuma be gina baby aka say this bill no o ma amfa kwan pass no mo pass here. The amendment was that in 2024 African kin catch the Ghana for say eye anti-LGBTQ bill no there was something in there say a chi obi say oye den oye gay a yo bibia e wasanke de ye sentence no e mani koda jail afenyoma kinka say na opese oye amendment na custodial sentence no ye changing no ebe community service meaning say ye chi obi say oye trumudifo a instead say ebe jail mana koda insawem no ye mani dwuma bi no ondi na ne hu nenim ngu ase na ye mani dwuma bi nya ofie na ye mfa ntwe na so in the 2024 no sa amendment na e de afenyoma kin e ka say opese oye no. In this current bill I pass now, that amendment has been done. In this bill we no, and the Chiobi, and our president signing we near Chiobi, so or trumua, yen jailing the panic cotton sawum. Now what is going to happen is say, ya beman community service be manaye, yen custodial sentence. You look what Jina court say jailu, kodansa 20 years. But what we can do is we can take you to court, and what is going to happen is say, instead of you to go to Insawum to go serve 10 years, 2 years, 1 year, no, you can be given a job to say, anopebiano kotikolemu. Anopebiano kopra Accra Sports Stadium. Anopebiano ko make sure say enkwara omuko school no. Wa ko make sure say car mo bia we gina street ma block traffic gina car emomotwem. Obey community labor, community service. After marking in 2024, that is the amendment he wants to do or he wanted to do. And I can say this new bill that was passed, no, that amendment and it has been done. Now let's go back to 2024. When he was talking about the amendment that he wanted to do.
Ghana, Yanjin to me there, being the being one one. Yanjin to me the Bessia one one. Yanjin to Musoda. Abain ya what the NPP abay, the NPP party. In June to me there, Bessia and word Bessia. There's no way a NPP. Na NPP abay beja to the Bessia and Bessia one one. Numbum za yar can you there? Impre de obi akashe de mi isunum. Na ye pede yes senisu ana asome yes do damazi ya jintum. Numbum onke de fiasese ya hwe de ye. That is all, chairman. Zamrikin ekoyen a quarter. In Browa, what's the look? Why encourage the judges in the day? So be a one beer. Them jail because it concerns a woman. Them a kojo besia kojo beyin in some semi or kodo home pomo. Into saying you pano to fiaza. You worsen the situation. Into Bianche, you introduce BB Warfare community centers, community service. Yes, some counseling system via. Oba allow me nimpano ebia to be a woman. Obotumna wa reform to reintegrate into society. Che, as a parent, as a husband, as a dad, for all I've seen in life, you can't force a human being to change from a particular issue. For all that I have seen in life, I mean, use Abe with you because Abe on one. Eba got to them in me 18-year-old girl, yet in come, maybe a big feed or a major and a non-pona. Because there a cock is in come. No only a trusty woman on you ought to say, and son of why you are pesamo. So be what should be not a correct now. On yet is it go to jail.
So 2024, Okotina Peace FM, Kwame Sefa can show so. Or see, oh, amendment and all person yen say. Yen jeli oma sebio omo ye gays ayachi omo. Nemo yebemo mu jume bi momo di we community mo ebe tuma sesa omo. That was the amendment he wanted to do. And that was the amendment he proposed in parliament. I'm about video channel. Today, Afenyomakin is angry. I didn't say amendment to a bill. But the amendment, the question here is, this same amendment he was talking about in the bill today, was it taken care of or it wasn't taken care of? That same amendment he was proposing in this bill, it is in there. The amendment now, the bar 2024, no, it has been introduced in this reintroduced a bill by a parliament pass it. So what to make Afenyomakin and his group any in team for Jomo to go out and say so many amendments were bill into bill no NDC for can correct. What to make a legitimate intelligent person on your kwasia to go out, a lawyer, somebody who says to go out there and malign a government or his colleagues like that. Actually, what Jimmy? Actually, because the amendment you're proposing in 2024, after you pass the bill, no, the same amendment has been done. It has been done in this new bill. Unless Afenyomakin wants to tell us, say the amendments he wanted to propose, say, and in this bill, we will not jail them. We will give them some service to do. Amendment, because right now their whole issue is that the new bill now on parliament on say amendment. They were not supposed to do amendment, but you were the same person in 2024. After you passed the bill, no, Parliament can say you wanted to amend some clauses in the bill. And today we have amended the clauses in the bill. And my amendment, it has gone in your favor. So how do you go out there and let people think, say, NDC for, it is your own submission, your own ideas, what you wanted to implement in 2024, Akufo-Addo one sign. Those are the same thing that has been implemented in this bill. So what is the difference here? Now, oya debi of parliament in there. You see, me catch Afenyomakin with Jimmy. Debi am catching NPP for. Time who say the bill needs to be passed. He wanted to distract the process. In the debi anoye. Majority leader kasa today or Jimmy who to the core because he knows. Say, omu deceive Ghanaians in 2024. He knows deliberately. Or then a smart the last man court. Echo delay case no and Osaka check for some man signing. He knows that this government is a truthful government. So I'm sure Ghana for bar. They will deliver. He did everything and Jimmy who parliament 1000%. Radebe no your parliament.
Admit that your arguments are in bad faith. Majority leader in bad faith. In bad faith. You are doing the mystery politics. You want to deceive the people of Ghana.
Leader,
Who told
resume your seats?
Who told you, majority leader?
Both majority and minority leader can resume your seats.
You don't want to.
Both minority and majority leader can resume your seats.
We would face you on every part.
Can resume your seats?
Allow you to deceive
minority
the people of
leader,
Ghana.
resume your seats.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
You think that by this way you'll be able to create a scene nationally and say that there's an attempt to water down the bill. This kind of politics is childish. This kind of politics is childish. No, this kind of politics is childish. We've gone beyond it. Ghanaians can see through your politics. Mr. Speaker, you have brought a bill that you say subject to the Constitution.
Which Constitution?
That's what the bill says. The bill signed by Akufo-Addo. This bill signed by Akufo-Addo says subject to the Constitution. A person shall not procure. Then he goes to clause 10 and says subject to the Constitution. So what Speaker is saying is that you yourself, you changed the bill and brought it back to this House. So, Mr. Speaker, let's take a decision on E and then continue.
So you saw what he was doing. He knows, Jimmy and NPP for no. And you see, it's so silly. Only Jimmy now, Jimmy now. This is the parliament. The records are there. And I'm going to Ghana for no. So you saw what he was doing. He just wanted to distract the process. Abina she Ghana for bo. A boy abina she Ghana for no with this one they were pass the bill no. And after no makichewa no ojimini na nipa na or the bill on the buy no. In team for not tinichi. The person did not oppose the bill that was going to be passed. But you in team for Joko Jina Bontine say, I bill no, Yama water it down. Just say, Oma amend the bill ni be brain to bill ni moya ha. Into almost surrogates na. Those jobless fools in Ghana and Oma starting on Kofi Bento, own Wabetro, or Chinabos and Kwasiafo with the news file. And you see, I've told you Ghana for say, Mamu Man Kwasiafo and Jimmy Mubiemu, we Mama Jimmy, head Wabetro, LGBT bill. Nana Akufo-Addo is fully vindicated. They don't work. They play on the conscience. These are people who are being fed like pigs by politicians. Nana Akufo-Addo is fully vindicated. It's the highest of hypocrisy to force a clearly flawed bill on NPP and scream on the rooftop that he should sign it. But when it came to your turn to sign your own bill, you have watered it down to nothing. Almost said, Yenda nyamia seni enshire Akufo-Addo. Say one sign a bill no, omo dana se. Abedu NDC for so omo sign a bill na. NDC for my bill ni mo ayemre and omo sign it. Inti yenka se NDC for nyedi papa we onya kwasea. This is a fool because it's a school and people Jimmy. This is the stupidity. Into from the beginning. Sibia ma chechiri ma bedu handa. How would somebody who calls himself an intellectual make such a stupid statement? Nana Akufo-Addo had every right to sign that bill. The same Afenyomakin, Emma the boy or you and the law firm, at the case in the court. That case was in court for 10 months. Tokoni never had the time to call the case because it was political. They wanted to win the elections before. Now, Omar said, Omar decided. Yeah, election we are losing. I'm going to talk on this on cases. No one share Mahama Kong. Oh, the case national Mahama Kong. Mahama Ba. Yeah, the Parliament, NPP or NDC. The sponsors were not changed. Team Fojo is still a sponsor. Team Fojo was at Parliament. Team Fojo agreed to every single amendment. Team Fojo never stood in Parliament to say, I am not going to sit in here. So now Team Fojo and him said this whole thing was being watered down from the committee time. Every time I ever pass the bill, he would have excused himself to say he doesn't want to be part of the bill. But Team Fojo sat through the process. He is a sponsor. You don't need all the 4 sponsors in Parliament to pass a bill. As far as there's a sponsor around, say a 1-0, say a 2-0, it means the sponsors have agreed that the Parliament of Ghana should pass the bill. In Team Fojo was in Parliament. The bill has been watered down. What do you mean by watered down? Because in 2024, the bill was amended. Even when they passed the bill, Afenyomakin was saying that they were still thinking of amending the bill because he said, a custodial sentence now, a bill, it wasn't right and it was supposed to be changed to the community service. How can somebody who says he reads and writes or intellectual say the bill has been watered down? These are the stupid intellectuals I talk about in Ghana. Majority of intellectuals in Ghana are stupid. They are doing politics. Inti Ochina Kwasia Wakotina news file. Ese Kofi Bento onim nyansa. Wait, Jimmy, they don't do anything in your interest too. Kakra mu bedinti. Ese omo say enkwara mo ya politics na nyiska. Ana baby omo age dun ya rehye omo ho. They want to be part of active politics. So they are doing by Omia's bidding. That is the highest form of stupidity from an old man with gray hair in his ass and around his dick. How can you talk stupidly? The bill has been watered down. The fact of the case is, has the bill been passed? Yes. Is the president going to sign? Yes. In 2024, wasn't the bill amended? Why is it being amended today? A big deal. The sponsor of the bill was in Parliament. He didn't disagree with the amendment. He never excused himself from the amendment. So what are you talking about? You are stupid. That is the message they want to carry into next week. We are not going to allow them. John Mahama NDC are buying Ghana for Bosse. Omobe pass the anti-LGBTQ bill. They have passed it. John Mahama Shegana for say onya kwasia to say Akufo-Addo, onya Jimmy Ford to say Baumia, he will sign it because that is what Ghanaians want, and he will sign it. And that is the most important thing. Bill na ya pass, bill na ya be sign. That is what we are waiting for. Yeah, dear, go na ya fefe, ye pe go, say go ba and na kotofo be jubility. Enya ball ne fe, enya skills are be ye de yan say o the ball na to net. Yeah, try ma John Mahama the ball na to net on sign it and no share your ball. Parliament for na yo bejuma Omafa processing. As we sit today, we all agree that go na yehwehwe. Into go nya the moment I'll be sign and then you pay. Asante Kotoko supporters Kumasi Sports Stadium and your ball fan on Mokoshe and your JCF on 3 points a you go for ball on the 2 nets. Yes, sign it a your coach Makotokwa. Yes, she Yankasebe Bodro. Yankasebe Brandema nice jersey. Yankasebe of the cabro for today. John Mahama Shagana for boss say a atra NPP Chamwa Akufo-Addo one tema one sign a bill. No, nothing will stop him from signing the bill if Parliament passes it. And the Parliament pass it. And the majority leader told us today, John Mahama Oni Kromo Ghana or say to Ghana for say obedru Ghana or the pen or the Nsabe Shasia because washe Ghana bo. Go na yefefe. The hiane se atonet. The hiane se bo ni dem. The hiane se opele apem. The hiane se eye den deda yo agya to chest wa tapo at the net. The hiane se asamojan clock ball no e de ato e de inches nim. The hiane se Kevin Presbyterian etwa ase ma na atonet. The hiane 3 points. There what 3 points in fire nipo di red card oh, they sliding no, the other sabo obia no. What we need is at the end of the final whistle, go na yefefe. John Dramani Mahama and the NDC promised you and I. Say, sa trumu, eye embra osiyeshe no, omo be sign it, and the omo pass it, omo be sign it. Finito and gracia. The president and the Onikroma or sending message every majority leader say, tell Ghanaians, say Parliament NDC and NPP are pass a bill now. Meme ba, no matter what I will sign. Go na yafefe. Ye chain eye den gonja ninu manaba. Na watching the pen, no the nensasi asiye, die hiano no, diaka die emfame ho, o Ghana for bo. Okan obeyo. Okan obeyo. Okan obeyo. Mr. Okan obeyo. Yeah, I went fan. What they said they didn't know ye. Yasha Ghana for bo. And a bonus so Sebio JM say Parliament eshe a bono. Na so mo pass here or no only option than to do what? Than to sign. Inti John Mahama edwum no ya bo mu dada wo. And enwum na de bia bo kire no. Messiah mame okan obeye. John Mahama ka kire Ghana for o see. Me kan meye yo. JM ka say okan obeye. O she Ghana for bo wan ka say eye ebona mehye no and the amendment bi and obi akokontokwa and obi edi obi atem. John Mahama ka kire Ghana for say mehye mo bo. Na ebona mehye mo no say bill na etia trumu no de bema trumu sebio emra betia wo Ghana Akufo-Addo ne NPP eye omadwene say omonye den omomfom nsansha ase no say Parliament pass ya me John Dramani Mahama srem sejata gonjani akora ya tetema no ho me say me sign eno na ye fefe ya ni go na ehia ye work up ayekoi eye go na ehia so de bon to net ma ne enye 3 points a enkwase ade o ye nyina ye nkai wo eno no wo ai intime ma obufu sa na tie John Mahama ye
Day November to November me and no mind no calendar. Come on, let's ride. I'm a running man. Higher than life, no challenger. Trace my loss for the charisman. Chasing those no scavengers. Chasing those no scavengers. I said, dang. As a mission city ball in a K won't yes, you're not having the sign. War. Only one actually walk on with 3 bumped and I see you're not having the sign. And the detail no evidence. I go to chill like a relax. I know the detail no evidence. I go to chill like a oh no, I'm a pop star. You know, sir, I'm a pop star. You know, sir, I'm a pop star. Yeah. You know, sir, I'm a pop. I'm a pop star.
It's Ghana for in 79 say John Mahama she Ghana for bo. O ka che Ghana for say irimtia atenie disrespect. Say na NPP for to be di matam Akufo-Addo ka kire mo say momfa mo jimi nko ho na enya ade a obesign eye trumu eye de bill no. Say na NPP for kwa abontiri ko di atam. Say na asofo abemu buye. Ahemfo abemu buye, enkwara abemu buye, Ghana for gidia ne wo NPP mu ba wo miemu ene Akufo-Addo mu no ni nyina agi nsem. And the NDC ba power in opposition omo ka kire Ghana for nyina say omo say omo be den omo ebe de ebe sign bill we John Mahama de nsabe hye and the Mahama Yarga kan sembi na ehia pa mumia kotie Mahama Yarga o say NPP for be pia bontene no mu pia bontene a omo kwa kotwatro inti mun nyina munya careful mumia kotie Mahama Yarga ewia de aka no ye de beso so.
I know that my friends in the minority are going to go out there and try to mislead the public. I am told that instead of remaining in the chamber and putting up a fight based on their convictions, they have absconded, left the chamber, and they are outside attempting to mislead Ghanaians in a press conference. Mr. Speaker, what is it all about? The proponents of the bill propose in Clause 9 and Clause 10 that subject to the Constitution. And the committee decided to elaborate on the rendition of subject to the Constitution and felt that when it comes to the right to counsel and the freedom of lawyers to represent persons accused of offenses under this act, we cannot treat advocacy in that instance as promoting LGBTQ practice. Same way, the committee felt that they should propose to this House that media houses reporting matters relating to LGBTQ should not be accused of the offense of promoting LGBTQ. And academics, researchers, conducting research into matters of LGBTQ, they should be free to publish their reports. The publication of those reports or research findings should not amount to an offense under this act. And lastly, they proposed that when people practicing LGBTQ go to the hospital and they are attended to by doctors, whether it is counseling, treatment, or surgery, we should not accuse those doctors of promoting or supporting LGBTQ. These are the simple provisions of the recommendations that the committee made to this House. Instead of remaining in this chamber for us to discuss it and build a consensus, our colleagues in the minority have left and they are out there misleading Ghanaians that what is being passed today is a watered-down version of the bill that was presented to President Akufo-Addo to assent to. That is far from the fact. The sponsor of the bill, Reverend Dr. Reverend Ntimforjo, Honorable Ntimforjo, he who sponsored the bill allowed the rendition subject to the Constitution. One of the sponsors of the bill, he allowed the rendition subject to the Constitution. So even if this House had not attempted to elaborate on what subject to the Constitution means, I am convinced that any court would have struck down any attempt to convict a doctor providing medical services to any person involved in LGBTQ. I am convinced that any court in this country would have struck down any attempt to prosecute a media house for reporting on a matter relating to LGBTQ. And I am definitely convinced that no court would have tolerated the punishment of a lawyer who attempts to provide legal services in defense of a person practicing LGBTQ. So, in my opinion, perhaps the committee needlessly brought this proposal to us. But I think that it is out of abundance of caution to make things very clear that the committee proposed these amendments. These are the only issues on which the minority is standing to say that the bill has been watered down. This bill is not watered down. This bill does two major things. One, this bill prohibits any practice of LGBTQ in this country. Two, this bill prohibits any advocacy of LGBTQ in this country. This bill prohibits any promotion of LGBTQ in this country. And this bill punishes anybody who engages in any of these four things that I have mentioned. This, I believe, is what originally was brought to this house in the last parliament and remains what has been brought to this house. And so I want to urge Ghanaians to accept that nothing has changed. The commitments that this house expressed in the last parliament and this parliament remains unalloyed. And today, the bill has been passed to satisfy the quest of many Ghanaians that we should not allow the moral fiber of our society to be destroyed by these strange practices.
Mahama yarga ekane brofo nyina na say bill baako ya Akufo-Addo amfa ne nsanhya ase no a NPP for the buy no committee ne tena ase a omohwehwe mu no omohu say bill no a NPP for ye no na one the omde ba parliament omka say parliament embobo hu endwene hu ansa na ya pass bill no one na NPP for 2024 bill omde call say Akufo-Addo nko sign na one say we ye eye nipa bi a wo chro books na se ebia ochro book efa trumutumu ho ene ade a na committee ni se parliament international no omunhu nipa potia omo ho kwan se ubetuma chro book a trumutumu ho nsam wom because e wo se wo obi a why research wo facts no wo eye den eye nyoma a ubetuma kire se wo gina so de aka se ebia trumutumu ye anase enye na time NPP for the omo bill no buy no na ekire se obi kura kire nwoma na okotro wom se LGBTQ tumutuma o se nipa na ye chini tu fiase eno na eye committee na entim fojo ka ho no edeba parliament se parliament enhwe ne ye because ehu ye onipa bi wo ho a omo nko ho school omo betuma kire bibia na omo de bibia beto system num na LGBT promote nyo bebi nti mom ye nhwe omo wo ho kwan se omo betuma kire eye de enkrata eye books eye novels eye articles efa trumutumu ho a omo won gina so a omo ya research it is sa eno no de ba ya NPP ni NDC ebobo hu ana afenwoma kento a intu fojo na oti committee ni so agitum se famre parliament eno na eka ho second na sa first eye de bill no mo pass here under NPP no sa we journalist kwa na oti TV so na se o ka trumutumu ho asema na sa bill no kire se wo no ye betuma chiwa koto efiase every se na woni hu kwan se ubebia onu krampo aye trumutumu de aye example se o ye editorial na wakoka LGBTQ ho asema o de example no na Akufo-Addo mo bill no kire se wo sa journalist na o se chiwa koto efiase na ejelu eno na intim for jom de ba parliament se omo hwe no mo amende na omo ntiase se nipa wo ho kwan se obedi eye LGBT ho nkomo edi a kire nipa edi a guide nipa ama nipa hu se eye na emwa anase enye inti omo de bae se omo hwe no mo ndi ho abobo no mo hu se journalist for ho kwan se omo beka tumutumu ho asem edi etufo edi eye de engina infa to ho anase aye ngina so asem akwana kan se Nana Danko Akufo-Addo NPP for etumutumu bill no mo de call first 2024 no se we doctor wa Ghana na ebia obi etumutumu ni na oba wo se bi otumutumu nti se bi menya yare wo meto wo doctor no se wo hwe nipa na Akufo-Addo mo bill no chese wo kura na wo so okota jail e wo se e chew ne yebo ne ye dokoto efiase ene ye de ba parliament se omo nhwe sa asem ne nka efiri se bi doctor ni de so biba na say accident to crowd wenya ya bow to the first responsibility of a doctor is to make sure say we saving the panel life. After that, so share the penny wie na say the panel who say we boom brano so then the panel betina go to jail. Na so catch doctors for say so bi bom hospital no ka say bia ne to bibi ye no anasa o etumutumu nti wa no obi akoda ma bibia ye na say wo doctor no hwe na Akufo-Addo mo bill no say o say sa doctor na ye chiutum inti the parliament inti for do tewo e ya afenwoma kento e no mo gitum say e wo say mo ye sakra ye de omo ye mu sakra na ehu say sa de no say doctor ni ko hwe obi o etumutumu a so o hwe na no to do wi a sa nipa no ye be hu say tumutumu na ma sa yare de beton so a ye betume jeli nipa no na nya say doctor o hospital no obi aba no say bia me ye gay inti doctor you see me nya yare me to so doctor no wo ho kwan say obehwe nipa no o hwe ni wi a obetuma refer na ma police say tumutumu nipa we ye inti sa first one na enye na ehu. And a third one, almost says so be a lawyer crampo, na say obi edien tumutum na obi could lawyer could defend the nipa no quarter or say lawyer so actually to fiase. And also enam de ba parliament na NPP ni ND intim for joy sponsor not war enam ka say eno de enyam rapa e wo say tiase say obi a lawyer or the right to defend anybody. Say lawyer ni defend ni wie na say ehu say embrana ni nipa no say bi wafo mbrana ene e betuma che mbrana tum. nti Akufo-Addo mo bill no de ba na say we lawyer untumi defend obia say be oye tumu nti ye kato so say we tumu na say lawyer edu ko gina court say o defend wa e wo say e che lawyer no tumu wo say bu no kuno and sanyoma we ne de ba ya ende omo ye amendment won say e wo say protect professionals e wo say protect Ghana for so obi tumu a otiamra na doctor or hospital na tumu ba wo so hye no owie na dama police so obi a lawyer na obi nya asem ne de ato no so keke say oye tumu na say oye tumu a e wo say lawyer no tumi gina nipa nechi say bi o ya chiri tuma anase ya nchina ya hwe mra na se nipa no nyomo ye ne tia se wetia Ghana bra ebetuma china tum sa amendment we na eye NPP afenyoma kini intumfo joma ko gina bontene ka che Ghana for say oma water down eye den eye sa bill no into in their mind no osanka lawyer de ukodi asembia na defend tumutumu o se ekun ana ya chi utufi ase so ya doctor na obi ba na oka se we tumutumu ni oyare a enisa o hwe no e wo sa ni parodical police station ya chi no ekunu na o doctor ne hwe na o se chi utufi ase se obi sebio obi journalist not radio so na the tumutumu mfato ho ana example na o kan asembia e wo se chi ne kunu ana ne tufi ase ana se support se obi chiro book na ebia oni ngina so no o kan asemi fa tumutumu a o se sa nyoma ne na MPP for so omfo aso enu na ende omubu ofu a omu se bill no ya water ne down NDC for ma bill ni mu aye ha MPP NDC for nipa onfa ahodie no sebio omu jaima nipa bi afom hodi na we ya Ghana ni me ya Ghana ni ensema me ka kire wi a MPP for gina so aka se eye bill no ya water ne down emu aye mre NDC for ndi no kura na se we ya Ghana ni na utiem na wadwene ye dwuma sa nyoma we ye de hye bill mu lawyer ntumi defend obi o ya tumu obu ha eye ntwato so obi eye media person ultimate internet TV so emfa tumutumu kwanye emfa to ho emfa ntu obi fo e wo se akiri tum so obi eye sebio eye doctor obi ba no na obeyare a na oyare na o kan yare kire na e wo se doctor no hwe na e wo se akiri doctor ne tum saa nyoma ne na ende mu gina parliament eyi ni nyina afiri mu agugu mu se we de ye ntumi fa nkyekire man eno ena ende omo ye ho adwuma o ma pass bill no nti MPP fo gina bontene tum futuro gu nkofo ni se eye bill no ya water it down ya mana kofoma eye MPP fo na omudi atro kire Ghana fo eno ena eye majority leader echeche mu kire Ghana fo MP for Kotena TV so radio so omo nka we hu nsemo the omo kan say oh bill no ye yi nyoma frum ya amend no but these were the major things they did today. Diaka nyina na ewo eye 2024 bill nim bibian sesan all that they did committee na recommended sa nyoma we ba parliament say omo ni hu abobo na omo ntenetene no na intim fodwo ka ho ode na sponsor of the bill na ote afenyoma akinichi intaye den na intim fodwo na afenyoma akoka bontem ka say NDC for adane bill nim omo mana ye mre omo dane danyoma intim fodwo yo bonsamba oditwo oyetumudifo onka no kre afenyoma akin enim nyansa inti ye bo le tofa the see of parliament no enie the speaker of parliament at the puma ehwe form catch Ghana for nyina say John Mahama ni NDC shembo omo ka say tumu bill no ombe pass and omo pass John Mahama the nkra afamfremu mo abre parliament say obeduru Ghana pair tumu no ordinance ebehye bill na say ema sebio abeyemra say oye tumu difo na eche wo Ghana or say emra enwudi. This is what happened in parliament.
The Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill 2025 is duly read for the third time and passed. Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker.
Ghana for. So this is what happened in Parliament today. Osia tiase NDC for Esheboa Omudiso. Omakacho say kakra ebobia omoshe Ghana for. Ade astepa bi omakache Ghana for mediso. John Mahama enipa bi a odi no kre. John Mahama onye dada for NDC as a political party. Omo parliamentarians ehye nyankopon bo ehye asofo bo ehye ahemfo bo ehye ye maamenom ye nuanom ye mma se omo protect omo ende eye NDC abaya moto abama omo a unya reshimu omo a unya gidi omo se omo bedi no kura ma wo omo be kekere man no amana to akoma so uye kristoni am woni nje uye nkremoni am woni nje uye penyina woni afi uye akwara a wunyini am woni nje because ended the oma ye no oma hye onyame ni munyam ahye Ghana ni munyam John Dramani Mahama ni NDC ba for wo oma ye madwene say the ebo a omo hye wo no omo bedi so na omo bedi so ama wo ho atɔ se Ghana ni memma ore enhoda memma wakoma embuda aban wei aye na adwene se obeboa Ghana aban wei aye se de ohye ebo a ohye ye nyina obedi so John Dramani Mahama a odi NDC nim ahye Ghana for bo tumu bill wei a ye da betu nanim no obedu Ghana ha pa obede den obesign it so ye Ghana ni amoni nje. This is the new beginning. This is a party you can trust. this is a party that is ready and willing to serve you. John Mahama ni NDC forecast say, omo be sign it, omo trumu no omo betwum, omo make sure say yede mra beba ama Ghana sebio yabo nipa ho ban. John Mahama say, oka obeye. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the NDC. Point. Right now, what I need to do is to sign the bill. The president, my team is sign the bill. No, na yampon show no. We all know say the president of the Republic, Kevin Akufo-Addo Taylor, munim say NPP for almost president enemy, and I would like to sign this bill tonight. And before John Mahama signs, because the NPP, I am their president, and you can see every single day. They speak about me. They mention my name, His Excellency Kevin Akufo-Addo Taylor. And today, as you can see, my Vice President just presented this. They are here. Thank you very much, Vice President Lawyer Nkutajine. And also, I have my Chief of Staff, Derek. You are also here. I really appreciate you. I would like to sign this bill and let Ghanaians understand that as the President of the Republic of Ghana, the NPP President, I actually made a promise to the people of Ghana and to the piglets. Today, as the President of the Republic, I need to fulfill that promise. And as you know, the NDC as a government, we have always been truthful to Ghanaians. So, can I sign? Yeah. So, as my vice is here and my Chief of Staff, Derek, I'm just going to do the sign-in. And then after that, we can basically go out and jubilate. So, let me do you want to help me? Okay. Let me do this. Thank you. Ghanaians, I know you're excited. The president signing the document. I know it's been a very tough battle, and but today, as we promised. So I really want to tell Ghanaians that I really appreciate the support and the belief in this government. As the President of the Republic and the President of the NPP, His Excellency Kevin Akufo-Addo Taylor, today I present to you the Anti-LGBTQ bill. And Ghanaians should be very happy. Thank you very much. And thank you too. Thank you, Derek. So have a wonderful day. Enjoy yourself as Ghanaians. We said it and we have fulfilled. My name is John Mahama, the president of the NPP and the president of the Piglets. Have a wonderful night. After all these things,
the NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. The NPP cannot be underestimated.